What makes Kaspa so unique? Kaspans, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and watch until the end so you don't miss anything. We have a nice thread written by our Crypto Talk diving into the uniqueness and the innovativeness of Kaspa. What makes Kas so unique? Let's dive in. Kas is one of the most explosive cryptocurrencies in the past year. Kaspa is not just another L1 crypto. It's unique in its own way, and it's one to watch out for. Revolutionary technology. Kas is not your typical blockchain. It's a directed acyclic graph utilizing the Ghost DAG protocol. This innovative technology enables faster transactions and instant confirmation, making it stand out in the crowded crypto space. Speed and scalability. Kas aims to be the fastest and most scalable transaction network with 1 second block times and parallel processing. It can handle a massive volume of transactions, making it suitable for various use cases. Low transaction costs. Unlike many blockchains, DAG-based networks like Kas offer lower transaction costs. This makes it ideal for microtransactions where fees can often become a significant concern. Energy efficiency. Kaspa's DAG structure also contributes to its energy efficiency, making it an environmentally friendly choice in a world increasingly focused on sustainability and green technologies. Kas is so bullish. Kas is so bullish, man. You gotta own Kas, man. You got to. Founder's expertise. Kaspa's founder, Jan-Feb, is a renowned figure in the blockchain space, known for inventing the Ghost DAG protocol. This technology has influenced Ethereum's Kaspa implementation, demonstrating its importance in the industry. This is something people always seem to gloss over, that Kaspa's founder Jan-Feb is in the Ethereum white paper, who him and his mentor Aviv created Ghost, right? That's like massive. That's massive. I don't think we're gonna find another project where, you know, one of the Ethereum developers or one of the people that was fundamental for Ethereum's creation is gonna be out there that actually made a project that is aiming to be better than what Ethereum is, right? That's massive stuff, and a lot of people gloss over that fact. Not comparable to Bitcoin. Kaspa may share some philosophies with Bitcoin, such as free token distribution and a proof of work model. However, it's crucial to understand that it's not a competitor to Bitcoin as a store of value, right? It's much different. Kaspa, for what we've seen, has pretty much revolutionized the shortcomings of Bitcoin. It's much faster. You know, a lot of projects already are faster than Bitcoin, but it still maintains the security, being a proof of work consensus, right? Proof of work model, right? And it is decentralized, just like Bitcoin is. But the thing that really makes Kas truly stand out is the speeds of Kas, man. And it's much faster than a lot of projects while still maintaining that proof of work mechanism, man. So it's fast, and it's not proof of stake. Majority of proof of stake projects are fast. We know this. But it's fast, and it's still proof of work. So it doesn't have to sacrifice that security of the network. There's going to be a lot of proof of stake projects that we know of and that are top projects in the top 100 may succumb to hacks in the future. Look at what happened to, not to throw up the project under the bus, but look at what happened to Harmony 1. Because it's a proof of stake project, that security of the network compromised like millions of dollars in the Harmony 1 network, man. That's not gonna happen here with Kas. Strong community and social engagement. Kas has a passionate and engaged community. Its social volume and sentiment indicators are consistently high, showing strong support from its users. Tokenomics trading at around 5 cents. Kas has already made new highs 3 times this year. 70% of the supply is already in circulation. With increasing popularity and constant development, Kas is set to enjoy an amazing bull run backed by all the factors mentioned above. And you can let us know your thoughts down below from the thread. What makes Kaspa unique from our crypto talk? Very great write-up, very to the point, pretty much summarizing just what makes Kaspa so special. You love to see it, man. From Kaspa enthusiasts, Kaspa has cracked the 45 PHS hash rate. Kas is facing incredible momentum. New all-time highs for the hash rate is just overall amazing news for Kas. I'm telling you guys, follow the miners. Typically, price follows hash rate. Just be patient. From Crypto Bull God, Kas 2-day chart, I believe we're at a similar point of consolidation as mid-Jan to 2023 to mid-February 2023. Mid-Feb 2024 is what I think he... Oh, no. So he's saying we're at a similar point earlier this year from Jan to Feb 2023. Okay, that would imply a large explosive move up in the horizon. And again, like I said, it does look like a massive cup and handle for the chart of Kas, man. Huge cup. Then we had to retrace the handle being formed, and then a massive move up, man. And he thinks it's similar to what we saw back here, right? You guys see right here in this blue circle, right? This blue circle right here. This is the start of January. This is the start of the year, what Kaspa's price action was like. And then we saw this massive breakout. So Crypto Bull God thinks we are seeing the same thing here in this area that we're seeing, man. Could potentially be playing out. We'll see what happens. I still think we'll see a 10 to 14 cent Kas by the end of the year. Let me know your thoughts down below. Kaspa from the official Kaspa page, introducing Kas X Tangem custom design Kaspa cards. Now available for pre-order. Don't forget to use your exclusive Kaspa Ken discount code to save 10%. Tangem is a card-shaped self-custodial co-wallet which gives you complete control of your private keys, securely store your Kas as well as thousands of other assets. So, a lot of people are using Tangem. Ledger. Get Ledger. I know it's sad to say if you own Ledger before, throw your Ledger away even though it's the most used. They got so much negative stuff coming out with Ledger. It's better to make sure your private keys are as safe as they can possibly be with cold storage. So if you wonder, hey, where do I store my Kas? If you don't have your Tangem yet, if you don't have your hardware wallet yet, you store it in mobile or web wallet, but make sure, like for example, somebody who is new who just bought their Kas off the exchange, store it off of the exchange mobile web wallet, then get to ordering your Tangem cold wallet to store your Kas. But there as the safest way to store your crypto in cold storage. That's the safest way. And the Kaspa cards look very cool, man. Custom designed Kaspa Tangem cards, Kaspa wallet. That's very interesting. That's very nice to see, man. The design is awesome. I love that. Escander, another casual weekend pump for Kas to 51 cent. This is only a warm-up before the fireworks. Right now, Kas sitting at 48 cent at 1 billion market cap. Again, in the little range right here, just like we saw in the previous chart from Crypto Bull God. But after this range, after this accumulation, that's when you might more than likely may see the pop-up for Kas, man. Right? The huge, massive breakout from here, just like we saw back in January or February this year. From Captain Sats, a quote from an article long before Kas launched in 2019. Zero bias from Moonboys as Kas didn't exist back then. People like Sam Polinsky embody the tinkerer genius type. So right here, the tinkerer is exemplified by mad scientist stereotype back to the Future and Dr. Frankenstein. People like Satoshi Nakamoto, Lehman Bird of Hashgraph, Jonathan Sam Polinsky, and of Ziv Zohar of Ghost, Spectre, and Phantom Protocols, etc. embody the tinkerer genius type. That's very interesting stuff to see. I love what I see there. They see flaws of current inventions and find novel ways to achieve the same objective better, not just incrementally better, but in orders of magnitude. And that's what we can see for the founder of Kaz, man. Genius stuff, man. Genius people, just absolutely intelligent people that are trying to solve the issues of crypto and the space as we know it, and make it just overall better than what it was before, right? There's old protocols, there's old technologies, and these new, it's gonna be newer and newer technologies that arise that fix the issues that we see in the previous from previous projects. We can see with Kaspa fixing or evolving from Bitcoin's shortcomings, right? And it's just an amazing ride, man. It's just an amazing time to see it unfold right before our eyes, Caspian. So if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much if you made it to the end, and thank you so much if you tuned in. I'll catch you guys in the next one.